Hey, we're back with a video about our time in West Palm, where we do upgrades, repairs, stock up for our trip to the Bahamas, and catch up with friends. Here you see us moving from one slip to another so that we can be bow in and put on a new anchor. Also what you see is another 62 Lady K, which has since been sold, moving to go out on a trial. Sit back, relax, and watch the show. We're at the back of West Marine. Come to get a new anchor. That's a big box for an anchor. Holy crap!
You got a big boat. Yeah. It's double the standard chiller.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh, mind your toes.
Let's drag it across back this way a little bit so that's not stuck. Ready? Yep. Alright, that should be fine.
Oh, that's awesome.
Alright, I'm done.
Oh yes, I see. I see. Sorry. Yeah. Should we denso that? Alrighty.
Have fun.
Just this much of the bow.
No wonder this is a clue.
No, you won't believe. I don't know what you get for it, but yeah.
Garden ornament? Anybody?
So we have a trailer full of anchors that have come off boats. And yeah, sell it.
Yeah,
It's
right.
like, just a trailer full of anchors.
Yeah. I already know it's an easier anchor.
Hey?
Does it fit? What happened today? Well, Loctite, that'll
Just
never
let it
come
go.
off.
Give us just a little more.
Chain?
Yeah.
You just gotta pull it.
There we go.
That's a good fit, actually.
Yeah, it's
Very
nice.
good fit.
It's a beautiful fit.
Matches.
What about the warranty? Whatever it is.
The paperwork.
The paperwork.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Right, the truth.
Geez, there's hardly any weld on there.
It's not in position. That's not good. Hold on. Don't get any more out. You're much better off with a phone, to be honest.
The water's pouring out.
Yeah, I will, because it's full of water.
Yeah. So I'm just putting a tub under there. So now do I unscrew the bottom half?
Yeah, just pull it off. What are you doing?
The new one's on. I just got to put it in its.
Where's the old one? Because the ace of spades. And you got to get it in and level, and then you got to bring that band around, and it's got to hold the two together.
Yeah.
If it doesn't, you're going to have water everywhere. Babe,
Yes.
I have no idea how I'm going to get up.
I'll come and help you. Meanwhile, outside, we are putting on new lines on the scupper covers, or whatever they're called.
Bungee cords on this.
New bungee cords on the scuppers. I think my job was easier. Hey?
Yeah, give me that. So what you do is you, this is a spring-loaded crimping tool. You put it in there like that. Like that, right? And you got to get the line in there. So this one is, you bring it round there. Give me the other one. So what you do, again, open up the tool. Put the bracket in because it's spring loaded. Yeah. And you pull the tool and you slide it, get the line in between the two pieces, slide it down
Yeah.
so you can see where the hole is, and then I crimp it.
Oh, cool.
It's done.
And then cut.
Very strong.
Yeah.
And now, and then I just crimp it a bit tighter. Oh shit! Hang on.
I can't see.
You don't really need to.
Yeah, I think it's done.
Time for new batteries.
Is it okay, good. Just like that. We're looking good. All right, go ahead. Slow. Round the pipes now. Go have to spin it there, Rich. Until it gets up. Go ahead, up.
There's a little line right there.
I got it. Watch the kickback in case that thing blows. I don't want it to hit you in the teeth or the face. You know what I mean? Good. Boom
Good?
Good.
Down?
He's getting his radio, so
Look at him crossing on the port side with this boat coming.
So these two sailboats both had to pass us in the ICW from between PGA Bridge and Parker Bridge. And now they're sitting here doing 4 knots, getting in the way. Still holding up traffic. I wonder why they had to come past as we're just about to go under the bridge.
Rick and Morty.
Parker Bridge, high traffic volume. Everybody thinks it's their turn, even us.
You're fine. You're fine. Drive in. Steer this way. Go. Steer this way a little bit. There you go. Do that again. Do that again. Yeah. Up. So let's start.
It's really about days.
Yeah, the seal actually, because that looks like it's about even where the plate is.
Yeah.
That's probably below the seal, up where the seal rides.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see this one's up. We're in like that, and they should both be down. The grease is actually the color of that seal, almost the color of my skin. And that's just regular old red.
So the It's a jigsaw puzzle putting all the food and supplies into the various storage spaces, and the Admiral always makes sure that she knows where all the foods are, so she knows which locker to go to, and so she takes an inventory and records where it all is. Note all of those cokes for the rum. Yes. Looking forward to setting sail again, of course. And then there's also the cooking. She prepares all our morning cookies and our rusks so that we can enjoy them with our coffee in the mornings. Just time to go now. Just a snapshot of some of the fun that we had while we were also working hard to get ready to go over to the Bahamas. We managed to have a nice dinner with Zacatec, Sarpe, Alliance and Karawa, as well as also a number of lovely afternoons drinking espresso martinis. Just waiting on Zarpe, finishing off their checks. They had a lot of work done, so they need to check everything.